We're solving problem 13 from the 2021 AMC 12A. Of the following complex number z, which one has the property that z to the power of 5 has the greatest real part? A, negative 2, B, negative square root of 3 plus I, C, negative square root of 2 plus square root of 2 times I, D, negative 1 plus the square root of 3 times I, or E, 2I. So, for this problem, we want to use this guy's theorem. It states that if we have a value or a number, complex number z, it can be written as r times the sum of cosine of theta plus I sine of theta, which is this. Now, we note then that z to the power of n is equal to r to the power of n times cis theta. So for this specific scenario, since this is z to the power of 5, z to the power of 5 is r to the power of 5 times cosine 5 theta, because we want to work with angles and you want to know your basic trigonometric cosine angle measures. So we can set up a chart for A, B, C, D, and E, all answer choices, where we have the real part, all of which are 2, or all of which are 2 for the first column in here, and our angle degree is our next column. So this is where things start up. For A, answer choice A, angle degree is pi. For B is 5 pi over 6. C is, that's 3 pi over 4. D, 2 pi over 3. E is pi over 2. Now, since you want the greatest value here, also in this case, r is equal to 2, because all of these are 2, this is just 32. So all of these are going to be 32 times something. We just want the greatest value of cosine of 5 times this angle measure. Well, we find that when we multiply 5 times each of these angle measures, they retain their original angle measure. So among these, we just want to find the cosine of theta, where we plug in theta as all of these angle measures to get the greatest value. We get that value when the greatest value when theta is 5 pi over 6, equating in square root 3 over 2, whereas the other values are less than that. And since you're multiplying everything by 32, this is 32 times square root 3 over 2. And notice this would be every other answer choice, plugging in these angle measures and multiplying it by 32 to get the greatest, to get the z to the power of 5 in this case. But since we already have our answer choice is B here.